In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom recording. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a recording, stop it properly, and get both the video and the audio files onto your computer without any confusion. First, open your Zoom meeting as you normally would. Before you hit record, make sure everyone attending is aware you're recording and that it's appropriate to do so. This is not only courteous, but often required by policy or law. When you're ready, look along the bottom toolbar of the Zoom window for the Record button. It may say Record or show a small circle icon. Click it, and Zoom will begin capturing your meeting. You'll see a recording indicator, so you know it's running. If you need a moment off the record, you can pause and then resume, and Zoom will keep everything in the same recording session. When you're finished capturing what you need, click Stop on that same bottom toolbar. Zoom will ask you to confirm, and once you do, it stops adding to the file. Stopping is helpful if you want to make sure the recording ends cleanly and avoids any extra chatter or screen activity at the tail end. To actually download and save the files to your computer, end the meeting. Choose End for All if you're the host and you're truly done. The moment the meeting closes, Zoom will automatically begin converting your recording. You'll see a brief conversion window. Let it finish. This processing step bundles your captured content into standard media files that you can play, share, or edit later. When the conversion completes, Zoom opens the folder containing your files. You'll typically see an MP4 video file that includes the audio and visuals from the meeting, and a separate M4A audio-only file. If you prefer a lightweight version for podcasts or notes, the M4A is perfect. If you want the full meeting with screen share and video, use the MP4. By default, Zoom places these in a Zoom folder inside your documents, organized by meeting name and date. If a folder doesn't open automatically, you can find it there. From here, you can rename the files for clarity, move them to your project folder, or upload them to your preferred storage or editing tool. That's all there is to it. Start your meeting, record from the bottom toolbar, stop when you're done, end the meeting to trigger the conversion, and then collect your video and audio files from the folder Zoom creates.